Hi traders, I'm back and we'll see what the markets have done. Well, nothing much has happened with CL. It's moving down again. So let's skip that. Let's look at the CL and let's look at the Russell E-mini Russell 2000. I checked Forex calendar and there's no news coming out today. 945 USD final manufacturing, but it's a yellow folder, so it's not critical. I think the Russ is gonna break 1545.5 on my 15-minute chart. So this zone will not be relevant anymore. So what I'm gonna do is fill in the next one, which is here. If it holds, then of course I'll move it back, but I think it's gonna break because it's a purple zone already. I would like to see it test the 60-minute zone and retrace from that. Well, we have 6 minutes before that open, so let's look at crude. Wow, crude has made a up and then went down. It's definitely rangy. You can see on my 5-minute chart that it's really congested. It's been congested for at least 5 minutes, so that's not a good sign. Another good reason why I'm glad that I didn't get into this middle chop trade. It didn't indicate whether to go up or down anyway, so I'm not in it anyway, but wow, it's really congested. It is January 2nd, the second day, the first day of trading for me, and Japan is closed, so maybe that's why the volume isn't here. We'll see. Let's look at, okay, so we have on the 1-minute chart here on the E-mini Russell. Let's see what happens with this 1-minute candle. I wonder if it will engulf. Oh, it just engulfed the blue. Okay. Let me change this color here too, actually. My green bars are a different color. I like to have them blue, like sky blue. Where can I change that here? Hold on, I think it's, let me click on it right here. Deep sky blue is my favorite. Okay, so I'll change that. And there you go. It's easier on my eyes. Okay. Let me go ahead and save that. Okay. So we have a 1-minute candle that just engulfed the highest candle on the Russell. What I like to have to go down would be if price closes below 1544, that's for 7 on my 6 range. That's what I'm looking before I go short. Let's look at this. Look, crude oil seems to have bounced back from yesterday's close. Interesting. One minute before the open, and I'm looking to go short. It has to close below here, and it has. I've reached my target. Now you should know that my ATM strategy says I should show you that because it's custom. When I get to 9 ticks, I move my stop loss to break even +1 on both CL and the Russell. So that was a quick T1. Let's see what crude oil is doing. It retraced back to yesterday's high from yesterday's close to yesterday's high. It's too late for me to go long right now because it's already in the supply zones. So nothing I can do right now. And I didn't want to go long here because it was there was no price action to indicate to go long yet for me. And the risk reward was a lot because remember, this is where it could have tested, and here it would have been way too much risk. So that's why I didn't take it. I wouldn't be opposed to taking a counter trend because it looks like it's in a range, as you can see. But this 1 minute brown zone is already very weak, so there's not a lot of strong triple confluence. Wow, the Russell kept going down. And there is no main news going on right now, so that's very interesting. It would have been nice to have a runner, but I'm being conservative because today was my first day trading back since last month, so I didn't want to put all my black, all of my money in the black. You know what I mean? Well, if you look at the 1 minute chart here on crude, you can tell that this red bar, let me open it for you. This red bar here tried to test this low and it failed. Then we had a green bar, a blue, like an up bar, test the high and that failed. And then another red. So I'm thinking that if it goes below 46, then it's going to go down for sure, continuing to go down. But if it closes above 53, then it's going to go up, obviously, but we'll see. A lot of congestion here. Hold it down. So I took a short. And I hit T1. Well, trader, it says it's 9:36 in the morning and I'm done trading. Just look at this. Now keep in mind the commission on here is not set correctly because I have it set to top step, but let's take a look at, it says that I made 148, but I made less because of the commissions. I made 145, as you can see. $145 is what I made. I'm not going to change the commission because I plan on trading top step trader as of the 4th or the 5th, whenever I have to before the expiration date. So there you go. I will see you guys tomorrow. Have a great day and keep it green.